Hi guys!
Everyone's working on the internet today, even my mum!
Get off my video! If you want to know more about a successful digital business, then watch the rest of my video. If not, feel free to skip. Bye! So, I am Isla, aka Single Mama Hustle, and I thought I'd just jump on and tell you all a little bit about me and why I got involved in this business. As my page name suggests, I am a single mama and I'm here to hustle. Been a single mum for nearly 13 years. I've done the juggling 3 jobs and paying childcare, and please excuse my hair, I'm getting ready for a Zoom quiz because that's the new out, isn't it? But I've done the juggling 3 jobs and childcare and coming in absolutely exhausted, trying to do schoolwork, always feeling like I'm not giving my kids enough financially, enough time-wise, and just feeling a bit about everything. There was just never enough money to go around. There was never enough hours in the day to complete, you know, the extra jobs that needed doing to bring the wage in. And so you always sit there and you're looking for a better way and thinking, you know, your time must be more valuable. And one day I stumbled across this business and that was it. I realised that my time was more valuable and there was a better way. And it means that I can now stay at home and be the best mum that I could possibly be to my kids, which in the current climate in the world is a bit of a necessity really, and due to that I got made redundant as well, but I'm not concerned about that because I have an income coming in that was doing better than my 9 to 5 anyway, so I just sort of get on with it. And while I'm sat here doing this, guess what guys, it's still working for me. So if you fancy taking a look at what we do, drop us a message, click on my link, let me know. Watch our workshops, they are absolutely fabulous. They'll give you all the information that you could possibly need to think about. And I'm sure you'll know what you're doing by then. I'll speak to you soon. Bye. So guys, on a final note, this business, you will get out exactly what you put in. If you follow the steps, you follow the training, you will do amazingly. But it is about what you put in. You are not going to become an overnight millionaire. All of these schemes that promise that, then that's not business. That's not how things work. But I can promise you that if you work hard, you will reap those benefits. And if you're looking for the perfect side hustle parents, this is it. You get your time at home, you get to be earning your money. It's absolutely perfect. So remember, click that link.